Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can upload a photo to Google Drive using your iPhone, okay? So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. So to upload a photo on Google Drive, first of all, you have to install the Google Drive app. So first of all, we will go to the App Store. And from here, you have to install the Google Drive app. So just search for Drive. And here you can see I have already installed this Google Drive app on my iPhone, so I will simply open it from here. Now in the next step, you have to sign into the Google Drive app and you have to select your email address. So here you have to select your Google account, as Google Drive is connected with these Google accounts, okay? So I will select this account, and in the further step you have to click on this plus option at the bottom, and here you will get the option of upload file, okay? So here you have to click on this photos and videos. Now go to settings and you have to give permission, okay? So just go to here and click on this full access, okay? And you have to go back to your Google Drive again, and here you have to click on this plus option again and click on this upload file. So from here I will select a picture from one of these folders. So I will go to portrait section. Let's say if you want to upload more than one pictures, then you have to simply click on multiple pictures, okay? So for now, just for the demonstration purpose, I will select only one picture and I will simply click on this upload. So once the upload is finished, you can just simply refresh this page, and here at the top you can see this is my picture and it's successfully uploaded to my Google Drive. Okay, so that's one way of uploading a photo to Google Drive. Another method is you can simply go to your photos, and from here, let's say that I will go to my portrait folder again, and from here again you can select a one picture or you can select multiple pictures. To upload this picture to Google Drive, you just have to simply click on this share option, and from here you can just simply scroll it to the left and click on this more, and here you can see you will get the option of drive, okay? So click on this drive, and in the next step you can either create a new folder or you can upload your picture to existing folder. Let's say I want to create a new folder. Click on this create, and I will click on this save here, and at the end you have to simply click on this upload, okay? So here you can see the uploading is started, and once the upload is finished, you can simply search for drive, and from here you can click on this files, and from here you can simply look at your folder. So here you can see this was my picture.